Hello ma'am, good evening. Here is my system. My system is about St. Marcos College student assistance management system. So first I will log in the admin. So admin and password. So here's my admin dashboard. As you can see the admin can see um the students. So we had three students, John Doe, Kyle, and Simon, and their information, their course, year, contact number, email, and then the action. And in the admin can also add a student, and when he adds a student, it automatically creates an account for them. And then in the add task, so the admin can the admin can assign tasks to the students. So Simon, Kyle, or John, and then the admin can create a task. Like for example, um, arrange the chairs, the chairs. No spelling man. And then this task will be assigned to Simon. So save task. So done. And then in the May account, the admin can enter his or her old password and then the new password and then confirming the new password so that he can change the pass account's password. Tapos the admin can also view the attendance. So kung problema ang save lang ako ni ma'am is walay date. So like timer siya. So ako pa na siyang i-improve. And then balin ta sa client side. So log out. And then the client. So si Simon man to nga ibutangan og task. So Simon, password Simon. True. Ay shit. So okay. Dayon sa client dashboard makita diretso sa student ang iyang task. So itong nabuhatag task kanina. So nara task arrange the chairs. Then status is pending. So then if human ang ang student sa iyang task nga gi-assign siya is pwede ra ni i-done and then update. And then kato siya kay makita rin to sa admin nga update na. And then so diri my account same lang gyapon sa admin. And then the sign in and sign out. So sign in on 17. Again, wala siya date so sayop siya. Na siya kulang. So mo to kung i-improve pa. Then log out. So balik ta sa admin. Check na to if nakita ba nga done na bagid. Admin 1 to 3. So, dito sa manage task. So, narrow arrange the chairs assigned to Simon. And then the status is done. Pwede siya ma-change ka po. Then, more to ma'am. Thank you. Log out.